AC port plug. A 125-volt power inlet socket with a dual integrated 18-inch outdoor extension cord for a car, boat, marine, truck, trailer, pickup, RV, industrial and electrical applications. Waterproof. A rugged, waterproof AC electrical power inlet receptacle featuring a pressure-fit rubberized cover rated for outdoor use and protects against the elements. Peak performance. Rated at 15 amps with heavy-duty 14 Aruban fluorines copper wiring to maximum power flow and full-sized AC port prongs for maximum conductivity. Plug and play. A simple flush mount flanged power inlet that's easy to install, requiring zero cable modification or hand wiring, and mounts into a 2-inch hole size. Multiple uses. An outdoor extension cord designed for various uses, including onboard battery chargers, bumpers for engine block heaters, outdoor electrical outlets, and more. A must if you have onboard chargers. No more digging around for the charger cord. The angled wiring in back makes this easy to install in areas where deeper receptacles won't fit. Heavy gauge wiring will easily handle today's high-amp digital onboard chargers. I run 2 chargers in both of my boats. The biggest pair being a 3-bank 45 amp plus a 2-bank 20 amp in my 20 Tuffy, and I have never had a problem. These units are constructed so as to firmly grip both the charger plugs and extension cord plug for a solid connection that will not come loose. I added a few wraps of electrical tape around the charger plugs to keep out any condensation that could accumulate over time. The inlet weather cover seals tightly and keeps even the heaviest rain out. My boats are covered and stored outside year-round in the mountains of PA. The standard routine after fishing is to cover at the ramp, drag it home, back in, unhook, and plug in the chargers. With this receptacle mounted in the rear of the boat easily within arm's reach even with the cover on, it takes only seconds to plug in and walk away. The same goes for those who keep their boats docked. Quick and easy, provided you securely mount the receptacle where it can be easily reached while covered or where loosening the cover a bit allows access. I hate cheap junk. I've used other remote receptacles over the past 30 years and none were as well constructed as this one. This is good stuff and worth every penny.